In this first compassionate Ring doorbell footage, a stranger approaches a house, asking the homeowner for help and a safe place to rest on the porch due to his health concerns. The homeowner responds kindly, providing him with a blanket and socks for warmth, showing a touching act of generosity and understanding. In this broad daylight Ring doorbell clip, two men dressed in black are caught on this Ring doorbell footage creeping around a property, carefully searching for an entry point. They find an unlocked sliding glass door and slip inside, heading straight to the kitchen. There, they disconnect all phone lines and disable the alarm system, effectively cutting off the homeowner's ability to call for help. Armed with a knife taken from the kitchen, they move upstairs, where the homeowner's wife locks herself in the bathroom to hide. As the intruders desperately attempt to break down the door, the woman starts screaming and manages to call the police. Hearing her conversation with the authorities, the intruders panic and quickly retreat, but not before they are eventually caught. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, an elderly man is seen approaching his home, unaware of the danger that lurks nearby. Suddenly, a stranger rushes toward him, launching a violent attack right in front of his door. The assailant robs him of his belongings before fleeing the scene, leaving the elderly man shaken and helpless.
Shut up. What? They got everything out your pocket. Give me no.
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a lady and her young son return home, only to realize they are being followed by a stranger. Panicking, they rush inside and lock the door behind them, hoping to stay safe. The stranger, however, stands motionless in front of the door for several minutes, staring at it intently, as if under some form of influence or driven by a disturbing purpose.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Daniel? Who's that? Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look!
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage from January 2017, a vehicle pulls up beside a woman taking a walk, and the driver asks if she needs a ride home. The woman politely refuses, explaining she's close to her house. Unbeknownst to her, the driver has other intentions. He follows her all the way to her home, his disturbing mission unfolding as he stalks her from a distance. In this eerie Ring doorbell footage, a family away on vacation starts receiving alarming notifications on their phones about motion inside their home. Fearing an intruder, they rush back, only to find no sign of forced entry. However, the house is in disarray, with items scattered around. Puzzled, they review the footage and are stunned to see a shadowy figure running around the house. When they post the footage online, viewers begin to comment that the house may be haunted by the spirit of a child, adding a chilling twist to their unsettling discovery. In this dramatic Ring doorbell footage, an elderly woman named Margaret is peacefully sleeping in her home when a burglar quietly breaks in, carefully stealing valuables, including cash from her desk. The intruder moves stealthily from one spot to another, trying to avoid waking her. However, his plan unravels when an alarm suddenly goes off, waking Margaret. Without hesitation, she grabs her walking stick and courageously chases the intruder, showing that age is no barrier when it comes to protecting what's hers.
Why didn't my dad tell me?
I think he was trying to protect you.
I will sign papers. I don't want an innocent man to have to pay for his crimes. Just promise me one thing.
Okay.
That is, yeah, I'll administer the Narcan now. Your father will wake up right away if you want to see him.
Is it your choice? Well, we both know your father screwed up, but he hid the truth because he didn't want to hurt you.
Wes, I just need you to get him on the phone. He'll take your call. You guys have been friends since law school. As a friend, I would have to advise
Yeah,
you.
he's already done 35 years.
I'm not. Hey, listen. The governor pardons law and accident conditions and pleads guilty to the prison murder and gets sentenced to time served.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.